Lesson 1, Introduction to the New Radio System. An overview of the transition to the new radio system. Welcome to the Motorola APX training. We're excited to guide you through this important transition from your old analog system to the new digital trunking system. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone that's just getting started with radio communications, this training is designed to help you understand and make the most of the advanced features of the Motorola APX radios. In today's lesson, we'll take a deep dive into the transition process. We'll explain why moving from analog to digital trunking is such a significant upgrade for you and your team. This change isn't just about new technology, it's about enhancing your ability to communicate more clearly and effectively, especially in critical situations where every second counts. So, what does this new system offer? First, clearer communications. Unlike analog signals, which can degrade over distance due to interference, digital signals maintain clarity, ensuring that your voice comes through loud and clear, even in challenging environments. Next, better coverage. With digital trunking, you'll experience broader and more consistent coverage, meaning you can stay connected with your team over larger areas without worrying about signal loss. This is crucial in emergency situations where coordination across various locations is essential. And finally, more efficient use of radio frequencies. Digital trunking optimizes the way radio frequencies are utilized, reducing congestion and allowing more users to communicate simultaneously without interference. This efficiency ensures that your communications are always reliable and available when you need them the most. We understand that transitioning to new technology can seem daunting, but rest assured, this training is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Throughout this course, we'll guide you step by step from understanding the basic functions of your new APX radios to mastering the advanced features that can help keep you safe and effective on the job. By the end of the course, you'll not only be familiar with the new digital trunking system, but you'll also appreciate why it's such a critical tool for modern public safety communications. You'll see how it enhances your operational capabilities and ensures that you're always connected, whether during routine tasks or in high-pressure situations. So let's get started. Your journey to clearer, more reliable communications begins now. Stay tuned as we explore everything the Motorola APX system has to offer, and by the time we're done, you'll be ready to use this powerful tool to its fullest potential.